Good day everyone, welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we are looking at the classic budget analog, the Casio MTP-V005, a dress watch that will not break the bank but still brings style and reliability. Priced at just around $30 the MTP-V005 proves you don't need to spend a fortune to look sharp. It's available in multiple variants. You can choose between Arabic or Roman numerals, a metal or leather band, and even light or dark dial options. The variant I'm reviewing today is the MTP-V005D 2B5, which comes with a stainless steel bracelet and dark blue dial with combination of Roman and stick indices. This watch measures 47mm lug to lug, 40mm in diameter, and just 8.1mm thick. And this metal bracelet variant weighs about 90 grams. It features a standard triple fold clasp, offering a clean and classic look. Inside, you get a quartz movement with 20 seconds per month accuracy, very typical for Casio analog. The battery life is around 3 years on an SR626SW cell. It's also water resistant, good enough for hand washing, light rain and splashes, though of course not suitable for swimming and diving. The glass is mineral crystal, offering decent scratch protection for everyday use. The case is nicely shaped with a slim, simple bezel, which makes the dial appear more prominent. The right side features a simple textured crown at the 3 o'clock position, nothing fancy but functional. The case material is metal with chrome plating, though it's not specified what kind of metal. It looks good at a glance, but keep in mind it may have less toughness compared to solid stainless steel. The case back is stainless steel with a snap-on mechanism. Personally, I'm not a fan of snap-on backs. They're harder to open for battery changes and even harder to reseal properly. The bracelet itself is not sharp on the edges, which is good, but it's also not the best quality. There's some side wiggle and overall lightness. Out of the box, it's quite long and needs adjustment. For me, I removed one link on the upper end, near the micro adjustment, and 3 links on the lower end, toward the folding arm. It has a brushed finish with some kind of railroad pattern. However, the brushed bracelet finish doesn't really match the shiny chrome case, which makes it look a bit mismatched. The dial on this variant is a cool dark blue with a sunray effect. It features a combination of Roman numerals and stick indices that look printed on the dial surface, which is expected at this price point. The hands are basic pencil style with lume, though the glow isn't particularly strong. That said, they can still be visible in the dark for a while if properly charged. You will find the Casio logo neatly printed under the 12 o'clock marker. Overall, the dial design is clean and easy to read, great for everyday use, and friendly to aging eyes like mine. On the wrist, it feels comfortable and refined. It's not bulky and easily fits under a cuff, perfect for formal settings. That said, I personally find it a bit wide for my slightly under 7-inch wrist. Compared to the MTP-V006 with a 38mm diameter, this one feels larger. I'd say this watch fits best on wrist 7 inches and up. Also, the lugs don't curve downward much, so they tend to stick out, not ideal for smaller wrist. Compared to something like the Timex Expedition, the fit is not as forgiving. Now for the pros and cons. On the good side, this watch has a lot going for it. Clean, classy design, versatile styling, reliable quartz movement, long battery life, a clear and readable dial, and of course, the unbeatable price. On the other side, there are also things to consider. First, the bracelet. It's not terrible, but it's clearly built to a budget. The brushed finish clashes with the shiny case, and the folded links feel a bit cheap. Unlike the MTP-V006, which has a shinier rail design that better blends with its case, the V005 looks a little mismatched. But anyway, it's easy to change the strap. You can use a 20mm NATO strap, leather band or mesh strap to give this watch a whole new look. Also, the snap-on case back and non-curved lugs may be downsides, depending on your preference. In short, the Casio MTP-V005 is a solid pick for anyone who wants a classy timepiece without overspending. Great design, reliable performance, and simple charm. It just works. Thanks for watching Sam's Watch review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you wear this as a daily driver or as a go-to dress watch? See you in the next video.